Hi guys, it's Simon at Kairos Capital Markets. Today we're going to talk about multi-time frame analysis. Now this is going to be a two-part video purely because of the amount of information you need to understand with it, and it makes life a little bit easier. One I'll tell you, two I'll show you. So firstly, you may hear me say it a few times, but what is it really meaning? Well, it's very simple. It's quite literally just one pair broken down into multi-different time frames. So for example, how I do it, I have the monthly, I then have the weekly, I then have the daily, and then on my other system here, I then have a breakdown of the intraday price, of the 4 hour here, the 1 hour at the bottom, and the 5-minute chart there. This is just my system, doesn't mean it's perfect or anything else, but this is how I analyze charts. So that is really the main thing of what is multi-time frame analysis. It's just multiple time frames of the same pair. The next question really is how do we use it? Well, it's quite simple. We all want to take trades, we all want to put an impression to the marketplace. So if you just look at this chart here, this is the monthly chart of Euro Pound. Now you can clearly see it's broken out of its downward sloping trend line here, has tested 90 and is coming back. So for me, it says that this chart here is looking bullish and is looking for a retest. We are. Again, you can do the Fibonacci retracement where you think it may come back to, and again this area here, around this area, around about the 80 area, is quite interesting to look at. You got the monthly 50, you got the trend line, you're going to have the Fibonacci, you got a round number as well. So yeah, it looks quite interesting to take a trade there, possibly. But obviously, before we get there, it has to come down, and there obviously will be times when we want to take the trade downwards as well here, as like bearish euro there. So this is why we use it. You use it to work out, when we take a trade, where do you think it'll go next? It's quite as simple as that. Where do you think it'll go next? And we tie these trades together, or tie the time frames together to create a trade to where we think it'd be short term, medium term, or long term. You can do it on any chart you can, or anything whatsoever, and it'll give you an idea of what's happening. In the next video, I'll have a full breakdown of how I use it on one of the pairs, exactly how I use it, and what determines my long-term, medium-term, and short-term bias views on each individual pair. So if you want to look to that one in the next video, you may learn a little bit more there. Take care, guys.